The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Ka Kynhun Myntri kala Jingmynjur ban Seng ya ka Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy kum ka Autonomous Society hapo jang ka Directorate of Educational Research and Training DERT banai jingkai kerpang ginohikai kerdan baper. Nalur kania ka Kynhun Myntri kala menjeru ka Service Rules jang ka tanat Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs. Namar ba kini ka tanat kam shimladon ni kadung Service Rules haduk mentah bat kum tak sarkar kala menjur ya ka Service Rules ka banong thek kum ka jang ki waipat ki tanat sarkar.
Proposal for establishment of the Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy as an autonomous society to drive high-quality teacher education, capacity building, and professional development. So this is a society which we are proposing, which will be under the DERT, to basically focus and look at teacher training as its component. And it will be a body and a society that will be run independently in terms of its functioning. There will be professionals in it, and teachers training is a very important part of our exercise to improve the overall education sector. And of course, we require different kinds of trainings for different levels of teachers, and therefore we strongly felt that an autonomous society is required for this particular training to happen. Government departments and agencies have multiple tasks to do, and hence sometimes we are not able to focus on the training aspect. But this society is being created specifically for training, and there are different funding agencies that are there that have funds for training of teachers, and they all do the training at their own capacity, at their own level, which sometimes does not yield the kind of final results that we would want. And hence one society would ensure that the focus is there, and every agency or every program that is there where there is a funding for teachers training, funds will be transferred to this society, and the training will be done at a professional level by this particular society.